The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter, Twin Cooling Refrigerator. It features Twin Cooling Plus system, convertible 5-in-1, Power Cool and Freeze, and Coolpack. Its Twin Cooling Plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button, to suit your specific needs. Its Power Cool and Power Freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool or freeze on demand at the touch of a button. Power Cool quickly chills food and drinks, while Power Freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. There is a Coolpack in the freezer to delay the rise in temperature during power cuts. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter, Twin Cooling Refrigerator.